This video demonstrates using packages and datasets. The alcohol dataset from the BSDA package is used for an example. First, you install the BSDA package. You only have to do this once, and it's stored on your computer's hard drive. To use the package, you have to load it into active memory using the library function every time you open R and start a new R session. When you run library BSDA, R may give you a warning that says loading required package lattice. Some packages require other packages, and R is loading the lattice package. It then says attaching package BSDA. The following object is masked from package datasets, orange. A warning is not the same thing as an error message. You generally can ignore warnings. This warning is telling you that both package BSDA and package datasets contain something named orange. To explore what's going on here, you can run $orange. Here's what you get. This is telling you that there are two datasets named orange. One is in the BSDA package, and the other is in the datasets package. You can run the search command to see the search path. These are the places that R looks through when searching for something. You read this by starting in the upper left corner and reading to the right. The first place R looks is called the global environment. These are objects that are showing in your environment pane. The second place R looks is the BSDA package. Later, the ninth place R looks is the datasets package. Since BSDA is before datasets, BSDA masks datasets. This is normally not a problem, but if it is an issue, you can use the double colon operator to force R to use a specific package. $alcohol gives you information about the alcohol dataset. This page tells you that the alcohol dataset contains the ages at which 14 female alcoholics began drinking. It also tells you that there are 14 observations on one variable named age with a lowercase a. Remember, R is case sensitive, so you'd have to use a lowercase a when referring to this variable. This demonstrates the head function. By default, it gives the variable name and the first 6 rows of data. If you want more than 6 rows, you can use a comma and add the number of rows you want. Once again, remember R is case sensitive, so if you typed alcohol with the lowercase letter, R would give you an error saying object alcohol not found. When you want to refer to a variable like age, you have to tell R where to find age. If you simply ran mean age, R would tell you that object age not found. There are 3 ways to do this. First, you can use the $sign operator to explicitly tell R that age is in the alcohol dataset by running mean parenthesis alcohol $sign age close parenthesis. Run this and you see the mean is about 20.64. Second, you can create a new variable named age or anything else you want to name it that defines the new variable as being age in the alcohol dataset using the $sign operator. A third way is to attach the dataset to the search path. Most things I read recommend against doing this, but it works, and the Mike Marin videos I assign use this method a lot of times. At the top of this slide, I run search to see the current search path. Notice that alcohol is not on the search path. Next, when I attach alcohol, see the blue box, and run search, alcohol is on the search path. So if you run attach alcohol, mean age, you see the mean is about 20.64. If you do use this method, the experts all warn you to detach alcohol from the search path when you're through. There may be another dataset you want to use that has a variable also named age. By detaching alcohol, you clean up the search path and you don't use that particular dataset by accident. This video covered several topics related to using packages and datasets, including loading packages and objects being masked, looking at the search path with the search function, using question mark before a dataset to get information about the data, using the head function to see variable names in some of the data. We looked at 3 ways to tell R where to find a variable. First, using the $sign operator to explicitly tell R the name of the dataset. Second, using the $sign operator to define a new variable. Third, using the attach function to attach the dataset to the search path. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions.